Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new phonetic sounds video. Today I'm here by Ken's lagoon because the sound is ul. To make the ul sound, your mouth is open and your tongue touches the gums above and behind your top teeth. Ul. It's a voiced sound, so the sound comes from your throat. Ul. So let's take a look at some words that have the ul sound in them.
Lion, lion.
Lagoon, lagoon.
Ball, ball.
And here's a tongue twister to practice the sound ul. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Now, let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation of the letter L and the sound ul. So far, the words with the sound ul we've looked at all have the letter L in them, like lagoon, lion, and ball. But sometimes the letter L is silent, like in these words.
Half, half. Palm, palm. Walk, walk.
But I'm sorry, there aren't really any rules as to when the L is silent and when it is not. So for example, in the word milk, the L is pronounced. But in the word yolk, the L is silent.
Milk, milk. Yolk, yolk.
In the word shoulder, the L is pronounced. But in the word wood, the L is silent.
Shoulder, shoulder. Wood, wood.
But let's get back to the sound ul. And here's another short tongue twister to practice the sound ul. Okay, have a try of this tongue twister. Truly rural. Truly rural. Let's try and say it quickly. Truly rural, truly rural, truly rural. Now, you try.
Truly rural. Truly rural.
I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound ul in English. For lots more English pronunciation practice, you can visit Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, either right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. There are tongue twisters, limericks, and videos of all the phonetic sounds. So head over there for a workout today. Just a couple of minutes of practice each day will help to improve your English pronunciation and so improve your English listening. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.